Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download CROSSHAIR X extension. All right, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way. So first up, open up Steam and find CROSSHAIR X. So once you have it opened, so what you'll do is just go ahead over to display modes right here at the left panel. Okay, just click on it. Now, as you can see, we are under simple overlay mode. So what you'll do is just go ahead and click on game bar mode. Okay, so click on it, and as you can see, we have here game bar is running. The second option is CROSSHAIR X extension is installed. Well, no. So just gotta click on get extension right here. It will open up Microsoft Store. So just wait for it. Now go ahead and click on install. If it's not letting you click it, well, make sure that game bar is running. So Windows plus G, and here we have game bar. So just tap away. Now click on install, and as you can see here, it's not working. So just wait for it. Now, as you can see here, it now says installed. So just close Microsoft Store. I just got to go back, and as you can see here, we now have CROSSHAIR X extension. And if you want to, you can go ahead and launch CROSSHAIR X extension directly from here. Just click on it, and here we have the extension. Now, finally, to use it, just pin it like so. And if you want to center it, just click on Auto Center right here. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, we have here Auto Center checkbox. Click on it, and you're good to go. That is how you download CROSSHAIR X extension. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.